Hello everyone. In our last video, we had seen the use of fmt package and how to print a statement in Golang. We had also seen how to run a Go file and how to build a binary file and then run it. We had used go run command to get our desired result. Let's do it once again. So we had used go run command for the same. So let's type it out, go run, and file name, that is hello world.go in our case. And it gives us hello world, which is our desired output. But do we have any explanation over why we are writing go run? I mean, what exactly is happening behind the scenes? How do I get to know that? To get the answer to any of our how-to questions and behind the scene questions, today we'll get to know about help command, which can be utilized to know more about anything. So let's see what it gives us. Let's type out go help. And let me enlarge the terminal screen so that we can get a better view. So here, as we see, it is telling us about what exactly Go is and how can we use it. It also gives us the syntax. Along with the syntax, what are the commands we can use with it and what exactly the command does. So for example, we have used run in our case. As it is stated here, it compiles and runs the Go program. So this way we can get information about any command, and to know more about it, they have also provided syntax for the same, which is go help and the command name. So let's make use of this go help command. And since we had used the run command, so let's type out go help run. And it gives us a small documentation about the same. What run is, what is the syntax. As we can see here, we have build flags, exec xprog, and arguments. Although we don't know about these things, as of today we haven't made use of these things, but with time we'll make use of it. For information purpose, we have all the things listed out here. So now let's check out more about the help command. Let's again type out go help, and we had some additional topics here. So let's check out about Gopath. It seems to be the most simplest one here. For that, we'll make use of this go help topic command, and let's type out go help Gopath. As you can see, it gives us a whole lot of documentation to read for us. You can see what Gopath is used for, what Gopath environment variable is, and there is a command to get the Gopath environment variable. So we'll make use of it to see what Gopath environment variable we have. So let's run go env Gopath. So here we go. I have my Gopath environment variable set as /users ATS go. So this way we can make use of the help command. Till then, keep exploring and I'll see you in the next video.